Hi friends, I Krishna Nagwani from class 12th Commerce from Swami Vivekananda Senior Secondary School, Raipur, Chhattisgarh is here for introducing my accountancy project on the topic specific project on cash flow statement and ratio analysis of Wipro Limited. This is first page, acknowledgement, certificate, index page, logo, products of Wipro Limited, founder, chairman of Wipro Limited, Azim Premji, board of directors, subject matter and objective of the project, introduction, history, company's board of director, company's profile, introduction of balance sheet, balance sheet, introduction of statement of profit and loss, statement of profit and loss. It should be printed also and handwritten also. Introduction of cash flow statement, classification of cash flow statement, cash flow from operating activity, cash flow from investing activity, cash flow from financing activities. Objectives of cash flow statement, cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, cash flow from financing activities. Definition with proper examples. Consolidated statement of cash flow, print out also and handwritten also. Introduction of accounting ratios, objectives of accounting ratios, advantages of accounting ratios, ratio analysis, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratio, profitability ratio. Liquidity ratio. Under liquidity ratio, current ratio and liquid ratio. Properly computation with then 31st March 2022, 31st March 2023 and proper interpretation. Then quick ratio, it is also known as liquid ratio. Solvency ratio, under solvency debt to equity ratio, debt to capital employed, proprietary ratio and total assets to debt ratio. First one, debt to equity ratio. Second one, proprietary ratio. Third one, total assets to debt ratio. Fourth one, debt to capital employed. Next, activity ratio. Under activity ratio, working capital turnover ratio and inventory turnover ratio. First one, working capital turnover ratio. Second one, inventory turnover ratio. Next, profitability ratio. Under profitability, return on investment or return on capital employed. Conclusion, bibliography. Thank you friends for watching my video. I hope you liked my project. Please like, subscribe and comment.